All right, so we're out here in beautiful Virginia Beach, Virginia, literally on the ocean front. But one of the big reasons why we choose to scan listings such as this one behind us, because 9 times out of 10, it's an out-of-state buyer here where we're at in Virginia Beach. Very transient. This is also a vacation spot. So when we have a buyer that is online shopping, and we've scanned the house with Draft 360, not only can we see the analytics of how long and where that shopper came from, but they're seeing a high quality tour with a floor plan that rotates. You know exactly where you're at in the house. Your tour is not gonna pixelate. It's very high quality. And the feedback has been incredible from some of the agents, such as this one here, that when somebody spends the time to see the house, they show the seriousness. They go through every little nook and cranny that the Draft 360 captures. The buyer knows what they're walking into. There's no surprises anywhere when they come in to view a listing. Yeah, I'm Jeremy with J2 Real Estate Media.
I'm Tricia Shotton with Hanna Real Estate Services.
What's some of the benefits here of living down here in Croatan versus maybe over in Chicks Beach area?
Oh, we've got a nice private beach here. It's absolutely beautiful.
It's stunning. A lot of people don't know this. Virginia Beach, we're not really known for waves, but Croatan Beach over here, it's not uncommon to wake up, have a cup of coffee, and see a bunch of surfers out. And one of the other features that's really a benefit for this house with all the beautiful sunlight is sunrise actually comes up over the ocean. Well, Draft 360 actually has the Sunpath tracker. So when we scan the house, you can actually slide that tracker and show that to your prospective buyer how the sun is gonna come. We know it comes through the bedroom over here, but they're able to see that in real time, actually.
Yeah, and Jeremy, that is one of the best-selling features of this home, is you get to take advantage of the gorgeous sunrise that comes up every morning in first light, and then in the afternoon you get the evening sun with the sun.
Both sides of the house. Both sides of the house.
It's spectacular.
Yeah, this is by far one of the biggest listings I've scanned, and I want to say it took about an hour and a half to actually scan. How many square feet is this home?
Almost 6,000.
6,000 square feet. I think that's incredible. Neat story about this listing right here behind us. We actually scanned this house about 2 months ago when the pool and the hot tub were not open. So one of the great features about Draft is right now today, we're able to scan, take the data from today's scans, modify it in our dashboard, and it's gonna update right there by tomorrow morning. So one of the huge advantages of the Draft 360 tour as an HDR photographer is the tour gets blended just like the photos that we produce every day on every listing. So there's no lack of transparency. When you look at a tour, the photos, it all matches. That's very, very hard to find that kind of quality in a virtual tour. When it comes to virtual tours for this stature of a house, I think quality is a big key.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, we want to be able to have your prospective buyer be able to measure the walls and the distance so that, you know, if they're going to furnish the home, they know exactly what they're going to do. One of the key features when we do these virtual tours is to make it very user-friendly. I know clicking through the house on maps and things like that can be a little aggravating. What's been your experience in the past?
That can absolutely be challenging, and I do feel like your tours are much more user-friendly as far as the consumer is concerned. I mean, people that came in yesterday had definitely seen the tour.
Right.
Yeah, I think of the tour.
You'll probably see even a more serious buyer, people that have gone through and taken the time to go through a house, especially 6,000 square foot house. That's even more of a serious buying indicator. Would you agree with that with your history of sales?
Correct. And I feel like it's so important for buyers to see the house, and first impressions mean everything. So when they can tour it online first, it makes a huge difference when they come in.
Well, I think transparency is key.
Absolutely.
And especially in any kind of sales. I'm an ex-car guy, you're real estate. I've always found that transparency is a huge benefit and it helps build trust throughout that whole buying procedure. I think you get a lot of transparency with the Draft 360 Pro camera. So I take a lot of pride in my business here. Again, I'm a volume photographer. I shoot between 7 to 9 houses a day typically. This is kind of the unicorn here. So again, I appreciate that. But my working relationship, I take a lot of pride is we met through a referral.
Yeah.
And that's a big part of my business. It makes me very happy to know that I have a good product behind me. You've always been accommodating towards everything we've ever needed, especially with this listing. I know we've shot it a few times. And you've always made yourself available, even if it's in the morning or late at night.
Likewise, we do what we have to do.
That's right, we do what we have to do. And hopefully you can check this one out and it won't be available too much longer.